Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on dogwifhat. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that dogwifhat has broken down the support of an up channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, the price has also broken down this quite strong support of $2.06 as well. That was previously working as support here and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And in fact, it is flipped into a resistance. You can see that after the breakdown, the price line moved up, tried to break out this resistance of $2.06, but got rejected. And now again, it is moving down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very big and massive breakout from this big and long term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for dogwifhat that I shared on 28th of November 2024 with my members, and this signal has produced more than 34% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for dogwifhat that I shared on 28th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that dogwifhat formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. The buying zone and the sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 34% pump. And before that, by the way, at the same time, dogwifhat also formed this garlic pattern with Bitcoin pair as well, and I shared this move with Bitcoin as well. And before that, we got almost 75% pump, and this was another harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that dogwifhat formed uh, on a 2-hour time frame chart. And I shared this signal on 8th of November 2024. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of dogwifhat, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days when it was moving inside this previous down channel, in those days we found the support and resistance of this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection bounce, almost had another bounce, and we had so many touch points here. Then we had another bounce, and we got several rejections by the resistance of this channel. Then we had another bounce. After this rejection, you can see that the price and tested the support here. And here we had a fake out, and the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $4.86. That was, by the way, previously breaking as a resistance here, and again worked as a very strong resistance. And after this rejection, the price and finally broke down the support of the channel. And also recently it has broken down this very strong support of $2.06 as well. And now it is rejected by this previous support of $2.60 as a resistance. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this channel is here at the bottom of the channel. That is approximately at $1.32. And now there is a probability that the price line may hit that target to the downside. However, if the price line re-enters the channel after breaking out this resistance and this previous support of the channel that can now work as a resistance, then we may see an immediate move up to the resistance of this channel, approximately up to $4.38. Now, if the price line hits this level, this target to the downside for this breakdown, then at the same time, it will be also testing this long-term support, previous resistance of this down channel that is broken out on this daily time frame chart, and it can test this previous resistance of the channel as support, and then we may see another reversal from there. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel, then you can see that the price line has already hit that target, and that target I have been telling you when it was moving inside this channel was here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $4.86 to $5. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price got rejected by this resistance. However, at the same level where we have this resistance of $4.86 was also the target for the breakout from this channel. Now we need to break out this resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. That was begun here after the breakout from this channel. And for that, we will need to break out so many resistance levels. We will need to break out this $2.60, then $2.40, along with this uptrend line resistance of the channel. And if the price then breaks out after re-entering the channel, breaks out this resistance of the sub channel, then we may see that it may also break out the resistance because the technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately somewhere between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.